Welcome to week 4 word building video number 2. This video is for the short E vowel sound again, and we know that short E we learned in the last video goes eh. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. Again, if you want to pull up your whiteboard, you have access to it on the Google Classroom. And then you can just listen to the audio and build the words with me. Or if you just want to follow along with the video, that's great as well. So let's go ahead and get started. This video, we are going to be working on the word family ED. So we have the E goes eh and the D goes d. Put them together, we have ed as our ending. So the ED ending. Here we go. Let's go ahead and build some words. The first word we're going to take a look at is TED. TED. What sound do you hear at the beginning of TED? The T. That is correct. And then we know that our vowel sound is eh for our E here. And at the end, TED. D. Awesome job. The D sound. So we have T, E, D. Alright, and you can see the ED ending here. The ed ending. Alrighty, I'm going to put these letters back and we'll build our next word. Here we go. Let's try red. The word is red. You've had some time to think, so here we go. We're going to go eh, d. I know a lot of you knew how to spell this word because it's one of our color words on our wall in the classroom. So this one was kind of easy for us, right? We have eh, d, red. Awesome job. The next one, Jed. Now I want you to think, I know that you're thinking of two different letters that make the J sound. Okay, this one also starts the word jam, if that helps you. Okay, so we have J, J, E, E, D, D, J, E, D. Awesome job, Jed. Alrighty, I'm going to go ahead, it's going to be your turn to build our last two words, okay? So let's see here. The word is lead. If you have your whiteboard, you can start dragging your letters. If you're following along to the video, I want you to skywrite. So think, what sound do you hear at the beginning of lead? All right, you've had some time, so here we go. O, L, E, E, D, T, O, E, D, lead. Awesome job. And our last word that I want you to build is bed. I'll say it again for you. Bed. So if you have your whiteboard up, go ahead and start dragging your letters. If you are just following along with the video, I want you to start skywriting. What sound do you hear at the beginning of bed? All right, you've had some time, so let's go ahead and build b, b, b. B, good. E, E, D, 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 D. Awesome job. Friends, make sure you're grabbing, if you have a B, that you grab the B instead of the D. I know we get these ones confused, right? So we have B, E, D, bed. Awesome job. All right, friends, so this is the last word building video for short E. I will have a new vowel sound for you tomorrow. So come back and check in tomorrow and you'll learn what that new vowel sound is. Alrighty, enjoy the rest of your day.